Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you Mi Flex phone grip and stand. This one comes with 3M strong adhesive, sturdy TPU material and 3 adjustable settings. This one comes in 3 colors and I have ordered the black edition and the price is stated as $199. The month and year of manufacture is August 2019 and month and year of import is August 2019. So this is how it looks. So let's open this and see what's inside the box. So this is how it looks. A very simple and neat stand. So you can see you can do like this. You can adjust these in different ways. By that you can make your phone as a stand as well. So let's install this. So let's install on this phone back cover. Just peel the sticker. This is the sticker, and place it there. There's a fingerprint sensor over here, so place it over here and press it. That's it. So it has been installed. So now this one looks like this, you can see. So you can use it as a hand grip. You can check this. You can use this as a hand grip as well, and you can use this as a stand as well. So this is how it looks when we put it in the stand mode. You can see. So it looks very nice and compact. I didn't clean the back cover, I pasted it directly, but still it's very strong and attached very well. So I will leave the link in the description for this product. So if you want, you can purchase this. So please comment and subscribe for my channel for more tech and auto related updates. Thank you.